Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Young Blood on guitar. We will begin by identifying the four main open chords you need. These are G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes. Focus on pressing down firmly to ensure each note rings out clearly. This foundation is crucial for playing the entire song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. The primary rhythm for Young Blood is a simple yet effective down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently, even when you are not hitting the strings. Start at a very slow pace, focusing on hitting all the strings evenly. Gradually increase your speed as you feel more comfortable. Now, let's look at the song's structure and tempo. Young Blood primarily follows a straightforward verse-chorus format, making it easy to follow along. Begin practicing at a slow tempo, perhaps around 80 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Using a metronome is highly recommended to ensure your timing remains consistent and accurate. To truly master Young Blood, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the song's feel and timing. Remember, learning guitar takes time and patience, so celebrate your small victories. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process of making music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.